Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can apply this bouncy effect to an icon in the CapCut Mobile. So here you just need to add your icon to CapCut like this. And to add the bouncy effect, just click on the icon or logo, go to animations and click on the combo category. Swipe until you found the bounce effect, so you can choose between bounce 1 or 2, but I personally like the first one better. Like this, click on a check icon. I'm going to resize it so it doesn't go big like that. So this will be the result, and you can also change the background into a green screen if you want. Just click on background and go to the green color here and click on the check icon, so you can apply this to every video that you want if it is your logo. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.